Hey everyone, this is Dr. Tim, and these are standing lumbar extensions with DTM. So, standing kind of hip width, a little wider. You're going to take your hands, you're going to find the sore spots on your back where you can lift the skin. I'm going to pull the skin away from my spine, and as I'm doing that, I will extend. Extend back as far as I can. If there's pain at the end range, just touch the pain, come out, and just hold the end for a split second. You don't need to hold for an extended period of time. If you start experiencing any pain, numbness, tingling, or weakness down the legs into the feet, please stop the exercise and let your practitioner know.